In this exercise, we'll retrieve a component from the TraceParts online website. TraceParts partners with Kubotech USA to provide KeyCreator users with access to a wealth of component models available in KeyCreator's CKD format. We'll start by accessing the TraceParts online database. If we use the following URL, we'll go directly to a page created especially for KeyCreator users. You might want to bookmark this. We'll land on a page that looks like this. We'll navigate to the bearing blocks category. We'll scroll down and select this bearing block. We'll select the KeyCreator file format on the right side of the page. Then we'll click on the download. We'll need to log in with a user account to get the actual file. The account is free, so if you don't have one yet, take the time to create one now. When the download is complete, we'll see a zip file in the Downloads folder. We'll extract a text file with product information and a KeyCreator design file from the zip file. We'll open up the design file and see our part. We'll save this file as KCV bearing block 1.ckd. So let's do this for real. We'll use an internet browser to connect to this URL. Again, you might want to put that in your favorites. We'll select Mechanical Systems and Components. Then we'll select Bearings and Bearing Blocks. Next, we'll scroll down and select Bearing Block 24072. We'll get more product information. Notice on the right side you can select the KeyCreator file format. Then we'll select Download. And you have to have a user account, so I have mine already. I'm just going to type in my password. If you don't, this is a good time to sign up for one. And you just click on that download again because it accesses the file and then lets you download it. And now it'll warn you what you want to do with it. We're going to save that. Now we'll navigate to Downloads and we'll extract the zip file. You'll see two files. One is a text file that has some basic information about the part. And the second file, of course, is the CKD file that contains the model. So let's jump over to KeyCreator, and in KeyCreator we'll open up the design file that's in your Downloads folder. And you'll see our file appears on the screen, and we're going to save that as KCV bearing block 1.ckd. So let's recap. In this exercise, we retrieved a component from the TraceParts online website. TraceParts partners with Kubotech USA to provide KeyCreator users with access to a wealth of component models available in KeyCreator's CKD file format. We started by accessing the TraceParts online database. We used the following URL to go directly to a page created for KeyCreator users. You might want to bookmark that. We landed on a page that looked like this. We navigated to the Bearing Blocks category. And then within that category, we scrolled down and selected this bearing block. We selected the KeyCreator file format on the right side of the page and then clicked on the download. We logged in with a user account to get the actual file. The account is free, so if you don't have one, you want to sign up for one. When the download was complete, a zip file appeared in the Downloads folder. We extracted a text file with product information and a KeyCreator design file from the zip file. And then we opened up the design file to see our part. And finally, we saved this file as KCV bearing block 1.ckd.